Every dog has its day is a popular idiom that conveys the belief that everyone will have their moment of success, recognition, or triumph at some point in their lives. It signifies the notion that even those who may have been overlooked or underestimated will eventually have their time to shine or achieve their desired outcome. The phrase draws upon the loyalty and companionship associated with dogs, as well as their inherent nature to persevere and seize opportunities. It suggests that just as dogs may have moments of victory or joy, every individual has the potential to experience their own moments of achievement or fulfillment. Every dog has its day serves as a reminder to remain patient, persistent, and resilient in the face of adversity or setbacks. It emphasizes the belief that even if someone has faced continuous challenges or disappointments, their perseverance and hard work will eventually be rewarded. The expression can apply to various aspects of life, including personal, professional, or academic pursuits. It suggests that individuals who may have encountered obstacles or setbacks should not lose hope, as their time to succeed or be recognized will come. Moreover, every dog has its day encourages individuals to embrace opportunities and make the most of their abilities when the moment arises. It underscores the importance of being prepared, maintaining a positive attitude, and seizing the chances that come their way. It is worth noting that the phrase does not imply that success or recognition will come effortlessly or without effort. It recognizes that individuals must work hard, demonstrate their skills, and persistently pursue their goals in order to seize their moment of triumph. However, it is also important to acknowledge that the phrase is not a guarantee of success for every individual. It should not be interpreted as disregarding the realities of inequality, privilege, or systemic barriers that some individuals may face. Rather, it serves as a motivational reminder that even in the face of challenges, individuals can strive to achieve their goals and experience their own moments of accomplishment. In conclusion, every dog has its day conveys the belief that everyone will have their moment of success or recognition. It encourages individuals to remain persistent, resilient, and prepared for the opportunities that may arise. By embracing this mindset, individuals can maintain hope, work towards their goals, and believe in their ability to achieve their own moments of triumph.